Hey guys, my name is Joe. I specialize in SEO and digital marketing. I saw one of your signs, your business signs, I guess at one of your customers' houses, and so I decided to look up your website, see if maybe I could help you out in getting even more business going your way. And what I do, like I mentioned, I specialize in helping small business like yours to get more customers coming in and calling your phone and using your services by ranking their website higher on the Google search engine. Because statistics show that people searching for any type of services like yours, roofing, will only use those businesses on the first page of the Google search engine. So, what I did, I went ahead and looked up your business online, and by doing that, I looked up the your business using the keyword New Braunfels roofing contractor, since that's the most competitive keyword that you can use. And I could not find your website anywhere. And that's pretty bad, because if I can't find it, then other people looking for your services can't find it either. And so that means you're losing out on a lot of business, and in turn a lot of money coming in your way. And so what I wanted to share with you then is that who was on the first who's on the first page of the search engine, and that would be Feller Roofing. And Feller Roofing is on top, and I'm going to share with you why they're on top. And the first thing that we can look at when Google's determining where to rank your website to get you to the first page, or wherever they determine where they want to rank you, is what Google calls the metadata. Now, the metadata is simply uh, a small smidget of information that they use in order to determine where to rank you, or what city you're ranking in. And so these little blue smidgets of information right here, that's what Google calls, or they call, the metadata. And so the metadata, as we've seen, best to get Google's attention on where to rank you higher, is like what we see here with the Feller Roofing. It reads roofing, Feller Roofing of New Braunfels roof repair. And so having the city in their metadata will get Google's attention on where to put them and place them in the Google search engine. And so that's the first thing I wanted to share with you. And as we go to your website, I have it pulled over to the side. And since I couldn't find it, I couldn't really find where your metadata was. So I have this tool that I use in order to extract it from the website, and it tells me what it is. And so your metadata is best roofing company in New Braunfels, which isn't bad. So because it has the city in there. But what we've seen to work best to get you ranked higher is putting the city first, like New Braunfels best roofing company, or New Braunfels roofing contractor, and then putting your business name afterwards, the Masters Roofing Company. And so by doing this, Google's able to see what city that you're ranking in and what type of business you do. And so that's the first thing I want to share with you. The second thing is similar, but it goes on the inside of the website. And that's what Google calls the header, the first header that pops up whenever someone clicks onto your website. And so the header on your website, you don't have one. And so that's going to uh, show on Google that they don't know where to rank you at. And as we go to back to the Feller's Roofing, all right, and go, we can see that what first pops up is this New Braunfels top roofing contractor. And so by doing this, Google's able to determine what city they're ranking in and what type of business they're in. And it mimics almost the metadata, which you want to do to your website. You want the metadata and the header one to copy each other. So the best thing that we've seen is to put the city first, New Braunfels, and then what type of business you do, roofing, or roofing contractor, or roofing repair, and then you could add your business name under that. And so that's for the metadata. And then for the header, you want to do the same thing. You want to put New Braunfels Roofing Contractor or New Braunfels Best Roofer, and then make that as your header one. And by doing that, by having them copy each other, then Google's able to determine exactly where to rank your business. And by doing this, they'll rank you higher on their search engine where customers are able to find you. And this is just a couple of things that you can do. We know that there's always so many factors that Google looks at in order to determine where to rank a business on their on their search engine. And if you start with this, you can start getting ranked higher and getting more people calling your phone. If you have someone on staff to do this, get them to do it right away so that people can find your business. If not, we would love to help you. I run First on Top SEO, and that's what we do all day. We just help business gain more traffic to their website by ranking them on the first page of the Google search engine and getting a lot more people calling their phones and using their services. And we help businesses like this every day. So if you have any questions, just reply back. And thank you for your time. Bye bye.